Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is dictionary. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos you can visit my channel or click on my playlist link given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. This is the ninth topic in data types and type conversion. Key points about dictionary. Dictionary is mapping type having key and value pair, and mutable type, which means we can add, delete and edit items in dictionary. A dictionary is a collection of data as key value pairs separated by comma and enclosed in curly brackets. A key and its associated value is separated by a colon. Keys in a dictionary must be immutable data type such as string, number, tuple, etc. Keys in a dictionary must be unique because dictionary items are identified by its key. Keys in a dictionary can have mixed data types like combination of string, number, tuple, etc. Values in a dictionary can hold any data type such as string, number, tuple, list, dictionary, set, etc. We can create an empty dictionary using an open-close curly brackets or using dict function. Let's see dictionary with examples. First example is a dictionary with 4 key value pairs. Second example is a dictionary with key having mixed data types. Third example is invalid because a key must be immutable and list data is not allowed as dictionary key. To create an empty dictionary, we just need to use open-close curly brackets. Also, empty dictionary can be created using dict function without argument. Let's create a dictionary. And the data type is dict. I am creating a dictionary with key having mixed data types. As you can see from the example, first key is string, second key is integer, third key is string. This statement is invalid and will throw an error because key cannot be a list which is a mutable type. Data type conversion. Dict function can be used to convert data in a particular format like list of tuples having pair of data or tuple of list having pair of data. An iterable such as string, list, tuple and set cannot be converted to a dictionary directly using dict function because an iterable is a sequence of items whereas a dictionary is a key value pair. However, we can convert a iterable to a dictionary using a function called enumerate along with dict function. The enumerate function takes a sequence type and returns it as an enumerate object. It associates an integer starting from 0 as the key of the enumerate object. Enumerate function can also take two arguments. First argument is the sequence type and the second argument is initial value. Let's say 10. So in the output, key starts from 10 and increments by 1 for next key. Converting string to dictionary. A string is passed to an enumerate function and returns as an enumerate object and then pass to dict function to convert it to a dictionary. In second example, enumerate function is used with an initial value 10. Similarly, we can convert list, tuple and set to dictionary. This is an example to convert a list to dictionary. This is an example to convert a tuple to dictionary. And this is an example to convert a set to dictionary. Let's create a list of tuples having pair of data. Now I am going to convert this list to a dictionary. And the output is a dictionary. Let's create a tuple of list having pair of data. I am converting it to a dictionary. Let's create a string variable and convert it to a dictionary using dict function along with an enumerate function. Let's use enumerate function with an initial value. So the key starts from 100 and increments by 1. Let's create a list variable. I am converting it to a dictionary. I am using enumerate function with an initial value now. Creating a tuple and converting it to a dictionary. Creating a set and converting it to a dictionary. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.